Want to optimize your streaming setup for Twitch? Here's how to step by step. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection, ideally with at least 10 megabytes upload speed. Second, use Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi to avoid random lag and disconnections. Third, open OBS or Streamlabs and set your output resolution to 1080p at 60 FPS for smooth quality. Fourth, adjust your bitrate. For around 6,000 to 8,000, depending on your internet speed and Twitch limits. Fifth, enable hardware encoding. NVENC for NVIDIA or AMF for AMD GPUs to reduce CPU load. Sixth, use 2 monitors if possible, one for gameplay and one for chat and stream management. Also invest in a good microphone and tweak audio filters for noise suppression and quality. Also, organize your overlays, keep them clean, readable, and not too distracting. And finally, test your setup with a private stream before going live to ensure everything runs smoothly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.